here. This is my studio, and I'm going to create a super cute gift bag. This is a wine bag. How fun to put some fun sparkling seltzer in here and bring it as a gift for your next summer barbecue or party or outing or day at the boat, whatever you're doing. This cute stencil, Hey Sunshine, this is reusable. You can make many of these. So we have this cute canvas bag. Here we go. All my colors are here. I'm just gonna peel and stick. You don't have to do any prep of this surface. We're just gonna kind of center it here and make sure you press it down with your hand. Now, we're going to do our Hey Sunshine in black, and I am just gonna go in with a mini squeegee to do this. This is ink, and we are gonna make this so that it is reusable. If it gets wet, you don't have to worry. If you're bringing a cold drink and it is condensation, if there's condensation, this will not run. So no worries there. Perfect. Next, I'm going to go in with my bumblebee yellow, and we're going to go ahead and do the main sun with this. Our little sun rays are going to be some different colors, but the sunshine is going to be yellow. You guys, this is going to be so cute. If you want to get the project supplies for this, all you have to do is comment the word sunshine, the whole word sunshine, and I will send you a message with a link where you can get all of the project supplies. Now, I have 4 different colors, so I'm going to go every 4, and I think I'll start the yellow on number 2, and then I'm going to count over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one will also be yellow. I like patterns. So we're going to do every 4th one in yellow. Hey, if you're new, thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you found me. Go ahead and comment our keyword, which is sunshine, and I will send you a link where you can join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Let's count over 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we'll do this one. And don't you worry, if you go over the line a little bit, it's okay. We'll blend and we'll make them look ombre like they're supposed to be that way. So sometimes we get a little bit off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my next one. And 1, 2, 3, and I'm done. Okay, so yellow is done. I'm going to clean that off. And we're going to go into our next color, which is going to be, this is our orange peel. Okay, so this is an orange color. I'll go ahead and start the orange right there. So we'll go to the left of our yellow. So now we don't even have to count. We just need to go to the left, or go to the next to our yellow. There we go. Pick up a little bit more Okay, it's looking good. You guys wait till you see the finished piece. OMG, I think you're gonna love it. And over here. There we go. Finishing this off. Okay, and then we're going to do this very last one here. We don't need very much. It's a tiny little section. Okay, we're going to clean that off. And we'll move on. The next color we're going to do is Couture Coral. We're going to spice it up with a little pink in there. I think it's going to be beautiful. Beautiful addition to our sunshine. There we go. And I got a little bit of yellow, but you know what? Couture Coral and yellow look beautiful together. All right, here we go over here. This one is a tiny skinny line. There we go. Just take your time. Don't worry. Oh, this is gonna turn out so cute. All right. Almost done, you guys. Almost done. All right. Our last color that we're gonna do, this is our papaya, okay? So it's a little bit of a darker orange, a little more like a terracotta color. It's gonna look great. I'm so excited for summer. It is my favorite time of the year. I absolutely love it. If you want to get the project supplies for this project, go ahead and comment the word sunshine, and it's our keyword today. I will send you a link where you can get all of the supplies. In fact, I'll even tell you a secret. You can also save 30% on all of your supplies. All you have to do is join my Perks program. The link for the Perks membership will be in the message that I send you. When you comment sunshine, I will send you the Perks membership link plus the link to get all the supplies and to join my free DIY and crafting group. So all of that will come to you in one message. If you want to become a Perks member, make sure you do that before you buy these products because you want to save 30% on them. All right, so let's get this going. Now this is ink, so in order to have our ink be permanent, we're going to heat set it, okay? Once you heat set the fabric for that has your ink on it, it is going to be safe to wash in the wash machine, dry in the dryer. Not that you're going to wash this gift bag, but like I said, if it gets wet, it's gonna be safe. All right, you guys, here we go. Da, da, da. Look how beautiful. OMG. All right, so I'm gonna turn on my heat press and we are gonna heat this up. We also wanna make sure this is completely dry before we heat set it. Okay, through the power of video, I am done drying this. I am just going to lay some parchment paper over it. I've put a mat down so that I don't scorch my tabletop, and we're gonna go ahead and heat press this. My heat press goes for 30 seconds. If you're doing this at home, you can iron it. Just iron it on the cotton setting for 4 minutes on the front and 4 minutes on the back. And if it's too hard to turn it inside out, just go ahead and do it for 4 minutes and then check it. I'll show you how to check it as soon as I'm done heat setting this. Okay, so to check it, you're just going to feel it. If it feels very smooth and it feels like the fabric, then it's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and do this one more time because there are a couple different areas that are still tacky. It's not wet, but there's a tack to it. You can kind of feel it. So we'll just go one more time for 3 seconds. 30 seconds, sorry. Remember, if you want to get the project supplies for this project, comment the word sunshine. All right, that has been 30 seconds, and so I am just gonna go ahead and feel this again. Oh, perfect. Look how cute. You can put your little seltzer bottle, you can put your wine bottle, gift for whoever. You can add a cute, fun coordinating ribbon to the front of it, a little messy bow that hangs down. So cute. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you love the idea of creating some fun gifts. Of course, you can make these, you can sell them, and you can gift them away or keep them for yourself. I love the Hey Sunshine. I love summertime, and anytime I get to share summertime and sunny vibes with all of you, it makes me so happy. Make sure you like and follow my page, and I'll be happy to show you more decor.